Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope: Taurus, April 20 to May 20. Today is the 22nd of April 2024, and it is all about the Wheel of Fortune. In our lives, we are asked to be, or the otherwise. But sometimes, we don't have a choice. If you were born poor, you are to struggle. If you're born rich, people will look up to you, but they sometimes backstab you. You don't have a choice. But nevertheless, you must protect yourself. The Wheel of Fortune is telling us sad versus happy, many versus none. There is always that sense of polarity of everything in life, and we must choose to be happy. We must choose to be, because you will be enslaved by your life. If you thought for a while that you are poor and you cannot be rich, that's wrong. If you are rich now, you don't know how far will that wealth go. So, how do we do about it? We must preserve our existence. We must choose to be, meaning do not be enslaved by standards, by being in that position which may compromise your being. So, sa panahon natin ngayon na 22 ng Abril 2024, ang Wheel of Fortune o ang roleta ng kapalaran ay nagbibigay ng pagsasabi sa atin ng realidad. Ang buhay ay may saya. Ang buhay ay may lungkot. Minsan marami kang pera, minsan wala ka ng pera. Anong gagawin natin? So, ang tawag sa Tagalog niyan ay diskarte. Kailangan natin diskartehan ang ating sarili-sariling buhay para hindi tayo maging alipin ng ating mga damdamin. Kung ikaw ay mahirap, huwag ka magpakaba. Kung ikaw naman ay mayaman, huwag ka naman magpakayabang. Kung hindi ka popular, tanggapin mo yun. Kung popular ka naman, huwag kang masyadong ambo. Ganyan ang buhay. Kasi mayroong din panahon. Pag hindi mo na panahon, hindi na yon. Tapos na. Tapos na boxing. Hindi mo na mababawi. Maraming ganyan na nangyari sa buhay natin. Kagaya Mino. Maraming. Hindi lang natin masabi, kagaya ng Nora Honor. Nora Honor, sikat na sikat. Bigla na lang, ito yung nangyari sa buhay niya. Ang dami-dami niyang pera, minsan, tapos ito na ngayon na nangyari sa kanya. Kaya hindi natin matatawaran ang tao. Binigyan tayo ng kapalaran. Kailangan natin gumanap o gawin ng isang kapalaran, pero hindi tayo malaya para doon. Kailangan natin sumunod sa mga sinasabi ng batas. Sumunod sa alituntunin ng moralidad. Sumunod sa sinasabing life karmic path. Hindi ka makakaiwas dun. Ikaw, kaya mo?